unit olan Nadina.
Oh.
What I found is like younger generations, kind of like myself, people that are my age, there's more that
Tabii eso es.
seems to be a little bit more cooperation between
On.
different churches and different denominations. With my mom and dad's generation, especially,
Oh.
really hard to work out denominational lines. Like this lady, Rachel and I got married, so she was, and this is kind of where I started, so I'm always my mom and dad. So, like I said, she grew up in a non-denominational church, and she was baptized after she was saved. Just like I'm baptized in a Baptist church. But
On.
she wasn't baptized in a Baptist church to be a member of our church. She was
Dokuz kilo daha yukarıda.
Come to find out from my mom, it seemed like my dad was kind of sticking around. I did read that. She also did
9 saat 7 10 olay.
which is all like church. It's just like all the like church organization. And with mom, it's like she made a little bit more sense. Some of that back in the day, situation, like the Baptist thinking, somebody had died, like and team up with the Baptist church. They would teach Sunday school or just teach doctrine and whatever situation. The rebaptism thing was basically saying that I try to let my previous history or whatever it was bad. I understand, but I think it also kind of inflated. It's like I don't even understand my dad's church. That's like
9.
he previously
X.
my dad's church now, he's the pastor.
Dokuz aşağıda.
On. Yok 8 saat 7.
I've done that before too, where I like have this.
X.